Hi, you're watching the news with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 12. Senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram was arrested amid high drama that unfolded at his Johor Bagh residence as the CBI scaled the walls of the politician's house in order to reach him. Chidambaram will be produced before a CBI court later today. He has been arrested on charges of alleged corruption linked to the INX media case. His son Karti said that his father was arrested to divert attention from the criticism the government is receiving on Article 370. Prime Minister Modi will embark on a three-nation tour to France, United Arab Emirates and Bahrain today. In the first leg of the visit, the Prime Minister will meet French President Emmanuel Macron and hold bilateral talks. He will also meet the Prime Minister Edouard Philippe. Later, PM Modi will attend the G7 summit to be held in Biarritz in France. In UAE, PM Modi will receive the Order of Zayed. And Prime Minister Modi's visit to Bahrain is significant as this is the first visit of an Indian Prime Minister to the country. Protests against the recent demolition of a Ravidas temple in Delhi's Tughlakabad area turned violent and the police had to resort to mild lathicharge and lob tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. Protests turned violent during a march to the site of the temple that was demolished by the Delhi Development Authority on the Supreme Court's order. A day after a video of junior students marching with shaved heads went viral, college authorities now say that a preliminary probe suggests that no ragging was involved. The college authorities claim that students signed a document claiming that they were not ragged. The Trump administration has moved to end limits on child detention, meaning that now officials can detain migrant families indefinitely while judges consider whether to grant them asylum in the United States or not. The rules are certain to draw a legal challenge, with activists arguing that prolonged detention could traumatize children. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.